Okay, 1043. Solve this equation for x, where x is a real number. And then what we did, we went through the work, and I found it to be sort of a tedious problem. I didn't like the numbers too much. But at the end of this thing, I got some nice numbers. And again, it took some thinking to get through that, but I did get the nice numbers in the end. And, they're nice numbers. So what I want to do is like talk about using Sage to check my nice numbers to see if they're okay. And, certainly I recommend you learn to, type this stuff in and learn by typing. You'll actually learn by typing, having your fingers move on the keyboard and reading at the same time. I've already typed it in though, so what I'm going to do is just copy, paste the code. Come over here, and I'm going to go to my Sage, and I just pasted that in. So what I want to do is hit the return button. Before I hit the return button, I want to talk about what's being typed in over here. So reset, clean sheet of paper. Defining the variable x, which is really not necessary, but it's a good idea to get in the habit of defining variables, is important, all right? The next thing is what this f of x is. And let me go over that with you. F of x is me just typing in the left-hand side. I'm saying it's a function. I'm going to evaluate the function at certain values. And so over here, what do I get? 10 plus root 99, and then I get, x squared minus 4. That's all I'm typing in. So let's go back over here and look at the code. So we type in f of x, 10 plus square root of 99, raised to the power x squared minus 4. The next term is 10 minus square root of 99, raised to the power x squared minus 4. Then someone says, what's this thing over here? This is me evaluating that function at the square root of 2, at the square root of minus 2, at the square root of 6, and at the square root of minus 6. I'm evaluating all 4 values. And what I want to make sure is when I evaluate the function that it's actually the same thing as 398. So a Boolean, basically what it's doing is saying, is this really equal to that thing? And let's go back to Sage and see what it does. Now sometimes Sage does some strange things, but it says true, 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 true. In other words, all 4 of those Boolean operators is returning, yeah, that's true, that's true, that's true, that's true. So we're good to go. We got the right answers. Thank you.